In this Google Data Studio tutorial, I'm gonna quickly navigate you through Google Data Studio interface and the environment, how it looks, how it works. So it is just to summarize what are the options and what you can do with it. So when you click and create a new report from blank report, you are asked to connect to your data sources. You can connect to your data source through multiple options. You can connect it with your Google Analytics, you can connect it with Google AdWords, you can even upload CSV files through using file upload, and there are many ways you can connect it with. There are even connectors. We'll go into that later. If you go into the options, you have option to share your report. You can even go and check the history to revert or undo or redo the changes. You can check your report settings. You can download your reports as PDF. You can share it with your colleagues or other people. You can change the viewing settings of your report. You can even refresh data if you are using any data sources. You can create a new page, duplicate pages. You have options to add different data. You can even access it from here. We're gonna close this. In the add a chart, you can have multiple charts like pie chart, like different graphs like time series and scorecard, and many other ways you want to visualize or display your data in the reports. So you can even share it with your colleagues. You can invite on the report to view it. You can get the report link and share it yourself. You can embed the report online. To refresh data, you can press this to refresh your data. To view, you can click on this button. To edit, you can go back and go to this interface. So this is quickly navigating you through the environment and interface of Google Data Studio. We'll be covering in later how to create reports, so stay tuned.